3, 2, 1.
Which author wrote A Tale of Two Cities? The answer is C. Charles Dickens. I can be worth thousands, yet you can hold me in your hand. What am I? The answer is D. Dollar bill. Michelangelo died in the same year that Galileo was born. What famous person was born in Wulfsthorpe-Colsterworth in the year Galileo died? The answer is D. Isaac Newton. Which tool is used for digging soil? The answer is A. Shovel. At which of the following events did Justin Timberlake make a special guest performance in 2006? The answer is B. Victoria's Secret Fashion Show. I can be large or small but contain no water at all. What am I? The answer is C. Ship. Which team was Shane Battier traded to in 2006? The answer is B. Houston Rockets. Which characteristic of a cheetah is more likely to be learned rather than inherited? The answer is C. Hunting strategies. What is the term for the slow wearing down of rocks on Earth's surface? The answer is D. Weathering. In the movie Forrest Gump, how many presidents does Forrest meet? The answer is D. 3. Competition within a species is called what? The answer is C. Intraspecific competition. A timber company is dividing a 10,000-hectare forest into 5 sections. Which unit is most appropriate to use when showing the area of the divided sections? The answer is C. Square kilometers km2. The Duffers, described in The Voyage of the Dawn Treader, have made themselves invisible and wish Lucy to help them become visible again. What was strange about the Duffers? The answer is B. They had only 1 foot. What is the invention of the sewing machine associated with? The answer is B. Elias Howe. What does the equation y equals mx plus b represent? The answer is A. A line. Which art movement was focused on depicting reality as it really appeared? The answer is A. Impressionism. What was the fine for shooting a thylacine? The answer is A. $5,000. On the TV show The Office, when Michael's girlfriend, Jan, gets fired from corporate, who gets her job? The answer is D. Ryan. Which sport uses a racket and a small ball? The answer is C. Tennis. With which sport is Babe Ruth associated? The answer is D. Baseball. Which popular TV series is set in a dystopian future where humanity lives underground? The answer is B. The Handmaid's Tale. I have no face and no body, but I can lift the heaviest loads. What am I? The answer is D. Inventory in an RPG. Who is known as the Little Magician in football? The answer is C. Diego Maradona. A violin that doesn't require a bow. What am I? The answer is A. Electronic violin. Which of these particles, when found in soil, contributes most to the water retention in soil? The answer is D. Clay. What is the name of the strong base used to neutralize a strong acid? The answer is B. Sodium hydroxide. Which kitchen appliance is typically used to blend smoothies or puree soups? The answer is B. Blender. Who is the only player to score a goal in 6 consecutive World Cup tournaments? The answer is A. Miroslav Klose. What is the economic system characterized by free markets and minimal government intervention called? The answer is C. Capitalism. What was the name of Pancho's horse in the TV series The Cisco Kid? The answer is A. Loco. What is the capital city of the Vatican City State? The answer is A. Rome. I'm always plugged in but never charged. What am I? The answer is D. Light bulb. Which of these ladies gave us the song I Hope You Dance in 2000? The answer is A. Leah Ann Womack. Which movement focused on simplicity and reality? The answer is A. Impressionism. Which author wrote 50 Shades of Grey? The answer is B. E. L. James. What is the study of behavior and mental processes other than those resulting from brain diseases or injuries called? The answer is D. Experimental psychology. I keep your head warm in cold weather, but can also be used to carry small items. What am I? The answer is C. Hat. What is the hard outer layer of an eggshell called? The answer is D. Callies. Which of these is not a perfect square number? The answer is D, 144. On the show Futurama, what was Fry's girlfriend's name when he lived in 1999? The answer is A, Michelle. What does sagination mean? The answer is D, the act of fattening up. What color is Sonic the Hedgehog? The answer is C, blue. Which tool polishes shoes? The answer is A, buffing pad. What volcano in the Philippines is famous for its perfectly shaped cone? The answer is D, Mayon volcano. Who wrote On the Genealogy of Morals? The answer is A, Friedrich Nietzsche. I'm filled with ink and words, yet I hold no pen. What am I? The answer is A, inkwell. Which tool is used for measuring distances, angles, and levels? The answer is D, level. I run faster than a car, but can never catch it. What am I? The answer is A, shadow of a car. A basidium is the fruiting body of a mushroom-producing fungus, and it forms for what? The answer is A, Basidiocarps. Which molecule carries oxygen to cells in humans?